Imagine waking up every morning with boundless energy, a razor-sharp mind, and a body that feels decades younger than your age. What if I told you that living to 100, not just surviving, but thriving, isn't about magic pills or extreme diets, but simple, daily habits backed by decades of research? The truth is, most people are aging faster than they should because they ignore these 5 powerful rituals. Want a happier, healthier family life? Hit subscribe now for science-backed secrets to better love, parenting, and self-care, delivered straight to your heart. Also tell me in comments that from where you are watching my video. Now let's start. Let's dive into the science, debunk the myths, and reveal exactly how you can transform your health starting today. First, let's talk about movement, not grueling gym sessions, but the kind of natural motion our ancestors thrived on. Studies from the National Institutes of Health show that people who walk just 30 minutes a day slash their risk of heart disease by 40% and add up to 7 years to their lifespan. But here's where most get it wrong: sitting for hours and then cramming in a workout doesn't undo the damage. The real secret? Constant, low-intensity movement. Fidgeting, standing, taking the stairs, these micro-activities keep your metabolism alive. Japanese centenarians in Okinawa don't run marathons. They garden, walk, and stay on their feet. So forget, no pain, no gain. The longevity sweet spot? Gentle, daily motion that keeps your blood flowing without burning you out. Now, let's shatter the biggest myth about eating for longevity: extreme restriction. You've heard eat less, live longer, but starve yourself, and your body panics, slowing metabolism, cannibalizing muscle, and spiking stress hormones. The Blue Zone's research, studying the world's longest-lived populations, reveals the opposite. They eat until 80% full. Not deprivation, but mindful satisfaction. Harvard scientists found that swapping processed foods for whole plants, beans, greens, nuts, cuts mortality risk by 25%. But here's the kicker: timing matters more than we thought. A cell metabolism study proved that compressing your eating window, say, 10 hours, lowers inflammation, boosts autophagy, your cell's self-cleaning process, and can add years to your life. So forget fasting fads, just stop eating late. Your gut repairs itself overnight, but only if you let it rest. Sleep, oh, the underrated elixir. You've been lied to if you think "I'll sleep when I'm dead" is a badge of honor. Matthew Walker, neuroscientist and author of Why We Sleep, warns that sleeping less than 6 hours nightly quadruples your stroke risk and shrinks your brain. But it's not just quantity, quality is the game changer. The magic happens in deep sleep, when your brain flushes out Alzheimer's-linked toxins and your body repairs DNA. Here's how the pros do it. Cool, pitch-black rooms, 65 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal, no screens 90 minutes before bed, blue light murders melatonin, and a wind-down ritual like reading or meditation. And naps? A University of Athens study found regular 30-minute siestas cut heart disease deaths by 37%. So stop bragging about burning the midnight oil. Your pillow is your best anti-aging tool. Stress is the silent killer, but not in the way you think. It's not stress itself that destroys you. It's the lack of recovery. The American Psychological Association confirms chronic stress ages your cells faster, shortening telomeres. Your lifespan caps. But get this, positive stress, like cold showers or intense exercise, followed by deep rest, actually makes you more resilient. The trick? Train your nervous system to bounce back. Breath work. Try 4-7-8 breathing, inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8, drops cortisol levels in minutes. Gratitude journaling, proven in UC Davis research, reduces inflammation markers by 23%. Even singing or humming, yes, really, stimulates the vagus nerve, flipping your body into repair mode. So don't avoid stress, master the art of the rebound. Finally, connection, the most overlooked longevity drug. Harvard's 85-year happiness study found relationships are the #1 predictor of lifespan, beating diet and exercise. Loneliness, on the other hand, is deadlier than obesity or smoking 15 cigarettes a day. But here's the twist: it's not about having 500 friends. Blue Zone centenarians thrive in tight-knit communities where they feel needed. Volunteering, laughing with neighbors, or even petting a dog releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone that heals your heart, literally. A PLOS medicine study showed strong social ties improve survival odds by 50%. So put down your phone. Call a friend. Hug someone. Your cells are listening. Now, let's bust myths fast. Supplements can replace habits. Nope. Johns Hopkins analyzed 277 studies. Most vitamins had zero effect on longevity. Food first. Genes decide your fate. Lies. Twin studies prove lifestyle controls 70% of aging. Your choices override DNA. You need to suffer to be healthy. Wrong. Joy is the ultimate longevity hack. Sardinian elders drink wine, dance, and outlive gym bros. So what's the takeaway? Longevity isn't a sprint, it's the slow drip of daily wins. Walk like you're late. Eat like you love yourself. Sleep like your brain depends on it, it does. Stress wisely, then recover deeply. And connect like your life's on the line, because it is. Start today. Your 100-year-old self will thank you.